Good afternoon. I am the Mainly Digger. Actually, it's evening, morning, whatever time it is. I hope you're having a good day. I hope you had a good day. I hope you're healthy. This video is about cleaning your coins that you find as a metal detectorist, as a hobbyist. I, like every other metal detectorist, have found a bunch of coins, clad coins, old coins. How do you clean them? That's what I wanted to know, and that's what I've been kind of looking into, and some of the ways to clean my coins that I find. I've looked on YouTube. What's funny, the metal detecting YouTube channel community is relatively small, so we'll see how it goes. If you disagree, agree, say something, whatever. I bought Andy's pencils, and I'm probably saying that wrong. And this is also a review. That's the bulk, that's the body of my videos, is cleaning coins with these pencils. I bought them about 6 months ago, and I was like, cool. And then I got scared because I didn't want to destroy any of my coins that I like. But I bought them because I have a lot of Wheaties and a lot of 2 Indian head pennies. That I want to clean up because they're cool looking. I got scared, so I was like, yeah, I'll figure this out later. And that was 6 months ago. I just recently brought them out, and I found them, and I was like, oh, I remember these. I wanted to learn how to use them. They literally just came in a bag, and the bag contained this. No instructions, no directions, nothing else. I've watched all the YouTube channels that had how to clean coins. Interesting ideas on how to clean coins. Some of them I've heard of, like the vinegar. I've used the vinegar myself. I wouldn't suggest it on the older coins, the copper coins. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't really know. Who knows? One of the things I didn't like, or I didn't understand, is the eraser. I saw one video where you take an eraser, especially on, I think you can do it on pennies too, but on silver, dirty silver, you take the eraser and you rub it off, and it looked like it worked well. Another video, it said, nah, that's too abrasive, and he showed you like the marks that it left on it. Everybody has what they like and what they don't like. I just wanted to try these, and I like them, so I'm going to try them more. Everything I've seen, they're durable, so I love cheap, durable things. $18 to $20 for a pack of 4. I'm excited to show you like what I've learned, what I've been practicing, or what I've been doing. Eventually get to my Indian head pennies to clean those off, because I can't wait. And first I'm going to do wheat pennies, the later year wheat pennies. I thought I brought one today, but I didn't. And then my end all will be the Indian head pennies, or I'll just do metal detecting videos, because that's actually what I want to do, is just go metal detecting. As always, Mainly Digger out. Go check out Operation Reboot Outdoors, their channel, amazing channel, good people, nonprofit. It's in the video, it's in my video. Mainly Digger out.
Before I start, let's talk about Operation Reboot. Operation Reboot Outdoors is an organization, a nonprofit organization for veterans, to get them out into the woods, to take them out hunting and fishing. It is ran by Dan and Nicole Waite. If you are interested in Operation Reboot Outdoors, they have a YouTube channel where they discuss Maine outdoors and how they help veterans. They discuss their organization, and they have a coffee time or a coffee talk that happen. They have it every week. Different veterans come on. Dan talks about his struggles coming back from Iraq. Dan has 2 combat deployments. He's a Army veteran. I'm not pushing any merchandise, and I get none of the profits. All the profits go to Operation Reboot. and it's just a non-profit.
So this is what a set of Andres pencils looks like. They're obviously straight out of the pack. Very nice, very clean looking. This is the set that I received and that I've used. It's still in really good condition. They're fun to use. I just learned that they make more than 4 pencils. Here it shows a 5th pencil. They make more products than just the 4 pencils, which for some reason surprised me. So I have my 4 pens. They're pretty useful, they're pretty cool. I had no idea how to use them until I started investigating and doing some research into how to use them, because I bought them, like I said, like 6 months ago. So here is a penny that I started to clean. Clean this. So this is all cleaned up. It's not really polished, but the dirt's cleaned off of it. It's as good as it's gonna get, or as good as I'm going to get it. Next one is this nickel. I just wanted to see what it would do on silver. And nickels and any type of silver is easily cleaned. You don't need the pencils to clean them. Any modern silver is easy to clean. I just was experimenting and wanted to see what I could do with it, how shiny I could get it. And it's really, as you can see, like this was pretty dirty. There's like a couple of black marks here and there, and then it's shiny. This I was trying to clean up. You can see I did half of it. Other than that, just worked on the head a little bit just to get some practice. This came straight out of the dirt, so it was dirty. You can tell, like, you can just look at it that it was dirty. And I cleaned it up. It cleaned up really well. Kind of started to work on this head. Go here. This bad boy is, I don't know if it's coin, I don't know what it is. I found it in my yard and I've been kind of working on it. It's obviously destroyed, but if I could get some detail on it, that'd be awesome. What I wanted to show you is this side is a little bit cleaner than this side. And that took a lot of work. That took a lot of work to do. But I haven't found any details on it yet. So we'll see where that goes. That's just a maybe project when I get bored. So this is a penny. Obviously it's crusty. This is what I wanted to work on. So we're gonna start off with the thicker point. If I can get it out of the, there we go. So this is the thicker point. This is a thinner point. This is smaller, this is bigger. And what I've been doing, and you can kind of see it right here, is going back and forth, back and forth. Different techniques, different people tell you different techniques. I just like to get it done neatly. So, circles helps, going round and round and round and round and round. There's the scratching method, which also helps. I do a combination of both, where I scratch and then I go around and circle. There's so many different ways to do it. I am not an expert. I wish I could make more metal detecting videos, because that's what I'd rather be doing. But my school schedule and the weather have not been cooperating. So, yeah, I gotta be a grown-up and have priorities in life. Metal detecting is one of my higher priorities, but it's not the highest priority, unfortunately. It's April, and it snowed today in Maine. It didn't stick, which is good, but it snowed, which is I'm so sick of snow. Done with the snow. So I'm gonna go blow it off. The older coins, because I have a couple of Indian head pennies and a couple wheat pennies. I'll clean off the wheat pennies first to get more practice, because this is obviously a more modern penny. This is clad, and I'm just trying to practice. But my goal is to hit up the Indian head pennies and get those cleaned off. So once you've done that for a while and you get bored, there's no real method to any of this madness. It's just whatever you feel comfortable with, whatever you know works and you want to do. So I go to the thicker pencil and do the same thing. So now I'm going to take the bristle pen, and this is cool because if it gets down to a nub, you just twist it and pull it a little bit, and you're right there. And they have refills for these too. And from what I've seen on all the YouTube videos is that these are durable and they last for a very long time. Multiple uses, lots and lots of uses, which is good. So this one definitely is, you can take the bristle part and go in tiny, tiny, tiny circles. And everything I've read, you have to watch out for the older coins, the Indian head pennies, especially the copper pennies, any copper coin really, and be gentle with it, because you'll definitely just wear it down. At least that's what I've heard. That's what I've seen. Now you can kind of see where I've been breaking through.
And then back to these bad boys. So an interesting combination. Whatever combination you do or need to do to feel right. If you want to go left circles, go left circles. Go right circles, go right circles. Does not matter. But yeah, I have so many, just from metal detecting, I have so many different coins laying around in my closet or in my basement or wherever I put stuff after, empty my pockets. So I have a lot of things to experiment on.
But yeah, so I'm gonna stop now. But you can definitely see the difference. It's coming through. You're getting down to the bare metal. So this nickel, if you can't see the date, I randomly grabbed a nickel. Like I said, I have a whole bunch of coins from metal detecting. And yeah, like what I've noticed is when I pull coins from out of the ground, they have this black gunk on them. So what I've done is I've taken the finer pens, and you can do this with the thicker one too, and just kind of scrape that stuff off, lightly scrape. And there's easier ways to clean silver, so much easier ways. Like I said earlier, I saw this one, saw a couple about using erasers. I was always told not to use erasers. I mean, they clean it, but they're too abrasive. So I've never used them. Would I suggest it? No, but you do what you want to do with your coins. So I'm going to take the brush. Another easy way, this is what I did earlier, is you can take the brush and scrub. Apparently it doesn't want to work for me right now. Oh, it's kind of working. It's coming out. A lot of the older coins, you want to be careful how much you scrub, because you don't want to take off especially on around the edge there. I guess some coins taking off the edge, but you can take off the edge by cleaning it too much. And I also saw where you're not supposed to clean your coins at all, which, I mean, whatever, you do what you want to do. I also like seeing the date on a coin, so a little bit of the detail. But I also like keeping, especially like the Indian heads. I don't want those shiny. I want those old. I want them looking old. It's not 100% clean, but it is definitely cleaner than it was. So yeah, you can definitely see the difference. A little bit of elbow grease, and it got shiny again. So silver cleans are right up, and like I said, easier ways to clean silver than these pens, but it's still fun. Still a good learning experience.